And we can basically come at those problems from like a creative angle and create something that is not just better for the user, but it's also better for the business. By going through this process, understanding these pain points, we can use our skills as industrial designers or human factors engineers and our experience, right? And we can basically, come at those problems from like a creative angle or a different angle, right? And create something that is not just better for the user, but it's also better for the business. Being able to see like what you've created or being able to see it with your own eyes, like that's another part of the user-centered design process, is that we have these different tools that can basically help others see that too, right? Like we obviously go out, we observe this, we gain this empathy, but like we also can create these different deliverables that we can send back out into like to the rest of the team, so they can also understand like, oh, like this is a really critical thing that a surgeon has to do. So it's really important that we make sure that we are designing something that is eliminating that that risk or mitigating that risk that exists there.
That's a huge aspect of these tools that we use, is like the power of them in like a team environment, and like especially in a cross-disciplinary team, everyone's looking at it with a different lens, and like we're trying to be like the spokesperson for the user. And like we're creating these documents that like help us understand it, but they can also be used to help others understand like where we're coming from and like help make the case. And like then when you have a design decision, you can go back to it.
Yeah, because like ultimately, whenever you have the entire team rallying around making something better for the user, if all the entire team is on board moving forward with this, then you're going to only get create a better product essentially. That's gonna be adapted by your users easier.